Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can remove Lightbox on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the top, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Right here in the center, as you can see guys, you're going to find the list that includes all of the sites that you created on Wix. So right now, I'm going to go to the site that I'm going to edit. And then once you go to the site, hover your mouse over it, and then go ahead and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, just wait for your dashboard to load. And then this is how it will look like. Once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. And then here, as you can see guys in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit the site. Click on edit site, and then you will be redirected to this page. So once you're here, just wait for the page to load. This is basically going to be the editor for Wix. Once you're here in the editor, here in the left, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the tools that you need in order to edit or customize your site. Right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to add elements, add sections, pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS, and lastly, marketing and SEO. So right now, I'm going to click on pages and menus. And then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the site menu, store pages, blog pages, and lastly, light boxes. So if you want to remove any light box, click on light boxes and then click on these three dots. And right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the settings for the Lightbox, the option to rename it, duplicate it, and lastly, the option to delete it. If you click on delete, you're going to have this message saying, are you sure you want to delete the Lightbox promotion? And click on delete if you are sure about it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.